Hello, good afternoon, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing the second scale of measurement. In case you missed the previous video on the first scale of measurement where we treated the nominal scale of measurement, you could please go back to check, and don't forget to subscribe and to like this video. Now, ordinal scale in measurement. Now, what does ordinal scale mean? And then what rules apply to when we are trying to assign numbers to variables in ordinal scale. An ordinal scale rank data in a specific order, but the differences between ranks are not necessarily equal. So nominal scale actually assigned numbers to variables to show ranking, but this ranking are not usually in a specific order. It doesn't mean that one is higher than the other. Either it is in ascending order or in descending order. For instance, our variable is level of education. So we want to know among our population which of our respondents have attended either primary school or has attained primary education, secondary education, or tertiary education, right? So when we assign numbers like this to show rank or hierarchy, we use ordinal scale. We use ordinal scale of measurements. Another popular example is customer satisfaction. You want to see if your customers are well satisfied with your service or with a product. You can say 1, satisfied, 2, neutral, be dissatisfied. Yeah, that is when we use ordinal scale of measurements. What are the basic characteristics of ordinal scale of measurements? The ranks of variable there is no specific order, but this ranking does not also show that one is higher than the other. I've mentioned that before. So rank variables in a specific order, but does not indicate precise difference between this rank. For instance, our socioeconomic status. Some people could belong to the low socioeconomic status, some could be high, or some could be medium, right? But the ranking does not show the precise difference between this rank. Another characteristics in ordinal scale is that data has a meaningful order. The difference between ranks are not equal, and then in a central tendency we can use mean, median, and mode are the appropriate measures of central tendency when we measure on ordinal scales. The implication for data analysis is that it helps in ranking, but not in precise differences. Also, it is very useful for our data survey, and then it helps us show satisfaction rating and all that socioeconomic classification. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.